Klok AI is changing how we work and live. This powerful tool uses artificial intelligence to manage your time, boost productivity, and simplify your daily tasks. Whether you are a busy professional, a student, or just looking for ways to be more organized, Klok AI has something for you. Klok AI learns your habits and preferences over time. It then provides personalized recommendations and automates tasks, freeing up your time for the things that matter most. With Klok AI, you can say goodbye to endless to-do lists and hello to a more efficient and balanced life. Let's dive in and explore how to unlock the full potential of Klok AI. Section 2. Joining the Klok AI community. Your first steps. Getting started with Klok AI is quick and easy. Simply visit the Klok AI website or download the app from your device's app store. You will be greeted by a simple and intuitive sign-up process. Enter your email address and create a secure password. You can also sign up using your existing Google or Apple account for even faster access. Once you have created your account, you will be guided through a brief tutorial to familiarize yourself with the app's basic features. Section 3. Klok AI for beginners, simplifying your day. Klok AI offers a range of features designed to make your life easier from day one. The app's intuitive calendar integration lets you seamlessly manage appointments and events. You can set reminders, view your schedule at a glance, and even share events with colleagues or family members. Another helpful feature for beginners is the Smart To-Do list. Klok AI allows you to create and categorize tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress. The app's intelligent algorithms can even suggest optimal times for you to tackle specific tasks based on your schedule and preferences. Section 4. Unlocking your potential, advanced Klok AI features. As you become more comfortable with Klok AI, you can start exploring its more advanced features. These tools are designed to help you optimize your workflow, streamline your processes, and achieve even greater levels of productivity. One such feature is the AI-powered time tracking tool. Klok AI can automatically track the amount of time you spend on different tasks and projects throughout the day. This data can be invaluable for identifying areas where you are spending too much time and for optimizing your overall efficiency. Another powerful advanced feature is the AI-driven virtual assistant.